I don't know about y'all, but you gotta keep your meal 6.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Alright, I'm gonna be preparing dinner tonight. I'm gonna do baked salmon fillets and sweet potatoes with a little bit of rice. So I'll see you in the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. This is the pan. It's already got vegetable oil in there. This is where the sweet potatoes is gonna go into. It already has some vegetable oil in that. I already pre-cut the fish. These are the salmon fillets. They're pretty thick, pretty big. This time I did half. I'm not doing like the whole big piece like I did the last time, but yeah, this is it. Then over here, we got the sweet potatoes. Over here, we got the seasonings. And this is all I'm gonna be putting in there. So I got, the healthier salt, I got garlic, got Mrs. Dash, which is the original, and then a lemon pepper version. And then also got this Italian seasoning. And also have some more lemon pepper, which is just the regular lemon pepper. It's not the pre-mix like this one. And also the hot honey, which is from our favorite store. Anyway, I'm having a hard time getting this to focus, but anyway, you can tell that this is from Kroger's. Then I also have my cinnamon, brown sugar, and also have white rice made from vegetables, garlic flavor. Here to fill up my water for the pot. So now that we filled this up to 16 ounces, we're gonna do 2 of these. So 1, 2. Now we wait for this to boil. So after this is done, we're gonna go ahead and prep this fish. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab this fish. Since this has oil in it, just submerge that thing up in there. You get all sides, and then once you do that, leave it faced up. We're gonna do that with all of these. Alright, now that the fish has been oiled up, I'm gonna let that sit. Right now, I'm just gonna dice these sweet potatoes. Sorry, this cutting board is moving because the countertops are wet. So I had rinsed this cutting board right after using the fish, prepping the fish on it. So it's always good to clean your stuff while you're in the process of cooking. Blade I'm using a copper blade, which is pretty good. Cuts real smooth, especially thick stuff like this. Even when it's frozen, it'll cut right through it. I enjoy using these. I've been using these knives for probably a good 2 years now. Yeah, it's good quality blades. Alright, now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna throw a couple of seasonings in here. So I'm gonna start with my lemon pepper. Drop a good amount in there just for our rice. A little bit of salt. By the way, this is our pink salt, so that's what I like to use. Garlic. That I'm going to be boiling in this water. It's the garlic herb. I like this secret stuff. So here we are with the sweet potatoes. Go ahead and place these in here. Do the same thing to these like you did the fish. Coat these real nice in the oil. Don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty, you know? Or shall I say oil? Okay. Get on the sides. Spread them all out. However you want to do it. To one side, oiling them up. Okay. This corner. And if you ever run out of room, just stack them. That's what I do. That's it. Now that we got our cinnamon sugar, drizzle that right on top of the sweet potatoes. A nice good amount on top of that. Brown sugar. Get a nice little dessert to go on the side. Get a nice little dessert to go on the side. Brown sugar. Put on the sweet potatoes. I don't know if y'all do that, but I do that. Mix it. That is nice and coated. We'll move on to the next thing. Season the fish. Now we're gonna season the fish. So what we're gonna do is use pink salt again. By the way, this is I can't say healthy, but it's a better option of salt to use while you're cooking your fish. Then we're gonna put some garlic powder in there. Okay. We'll put Mrs. Dash original. Don't be afraid to coat it. Mrs. Dash lemon pepper. Your Italian seasoning. And your cinnamon sugar, which I dropped, but oh well. That's what we do up in here. If you don't make a mistake, you ain't doing it right. I'm just joking. And then your hot honey. This right here, get this other honey. So I had to go grab another honey, which is also a Kroger brand. Sad day. But anyway, this is the big boy. It's not the hot honey, it's regular. So it's going this out on top. This will turn your fish into $1,000 because of the flavor. Now that we got the oven set to 375, we'll put the sweet potatoes in there, and then we're also gonna put the fish in there. We'll stick the fish, the sweet potatoes down here, fish up top. We'll leave the fish in there for about an hour, and then the sweet potatoes is going to be in there for an hour and 15 minutes. Now we're back to the rice. Make sure you stir it. You turn your temperature down to medium. Let it sit for about 15 minutes.
Now that the sweet potatoes, the rice, and the fish is done, it's on to the next step. Now that the food is finished and out of the oven, we placed it on the plate already. So the finishing touch will be this lemon juice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for more updates of when I post. Alright, catch y'all later.